Well, up to meet a good mate of mine to check out his Y62. Hopefully this video will do it justice. What I like about this car is, it's fairly understated. Probably the most obvious mod is the rooftop tent, being an Ikamper. Got a king size bed in it, so plenty of room for at least a couple of people. Raslarr rear bar with the tyre carrier and the jerry can holder, but a bit of a closer look at that in a minute. ARB awning. Solar panels, 100 watt Merlin flexible panel with the wedge tail roof rack. Better look at that rear bar, all nicely powder coated. Gotta say, old Raslarr does some nice work. That's that chainsaw platform ARB rubbish bag. Wouldn't be a proper touring rig unless it had a GVM upgrade. So it's got the on-track billet lower control arms, GVM upgrade up to 4,085 kilo, LRA long ranger tank. Now I've got 260 litres of fuel. Set of poly airbags. I'll show you how they are adjusted and monitored. Gotta love a sneaky little mod. That's actually the airbag pressure monitors that go to the display in the dash. So yeah, if you're looking for a little spot to stick them, that's a pretty good one, I reckon. Super neat display there. RedArc trailer brake controller. GME UHF XRS Connect.
Just go to Spotify. Or if you stay back home, you can go to YouTube. Or just all your
Normal apps.
normal apps. So, Wikicamps will be a bit slow to load, but Wikicamps is on there.
Even tells you the door's open.
Yeah, so it gives you all the maps. And it'll also do stuff like all the ODB2 connections are
Oh,
on.
wow.
So you run torque and stuff on
Yep. If I press that there.
Yeah.
That one?
One of the other ones, sand or rock. Yeah.
So sand, snow, rock, sand. Oh man, this thing's crazy. How good is this? Oh. This is how they should have been from the factory. That's crazy. 240 amps of lithium goodness. 3000 watt inverter. 40 amp DC to DC. SMW cargo barrier. I'll swing around and give you a closer look at those headrest delete brackets. You fit these billet brackets, so when you take the headrests off to fit car seats, car seats don't hit the headrests. Screens in the back of the front headrests, keep the kids happy, or is that the parents happy? LED interior light conversion. Raslarr colour-coded front winch bar with a Runvar 12,000 pound winch and billet winch block. Steady integrated light bar and hardcore spotties for burning them possums out of the trees. Dash off-road bash plates all the way underneath. Geez, they fit nice, don't they? Well done, Dash. Maxxis 295/70 18 tyres on standard rims. Raslarr rock rails. And you've got the Black Hawk upper control arms for the lift. Gotta say, those wheels look much better with a decent tyre on them. Set of Terralume tailgate lights for over the cooktop. Got the orange on there so I don't attract too many bugs. Have a cool 40 litre drawer fridge. Nice and smooth little setup. Couple of Canadians. And it's got a little table underneath that slides out. That table can actually be removed and set up separate off the car. Power points from the inverter. Drawer systems made by Full Bore. Such a quality bit of kit. A couple of little 3D printed torch holders. Pretty handy. Constantly being charged, obviously. Kitchen drawer setup with the twin hob induction cooker. Again, that runs off the inverter and the 200 odd amps in lithium.
So that's where it's coming.
Nice. Buttons for the lights, power, digital readout, and also the Airline Boss for the twin ARB compressor. Set of custom floor mats and a custom fire extinguisher bracket. Gotta say, it was quite the rig. Undoubtedly there's things that I've forgotten. There was so much in that Y62, it's just mind-boggling. I'll stick a bit of a link in the description to all the accessories and the mods. Also, I'll put up a link to Chriso's Instagram if you want to have a bit of a look, or maybe follow him on his trip that he's going to be heading off soon. So thanks again, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.